everyone! I'm so excited to finally be back with another video. Today I'm going to be giving my desk a mini makeover. I'm starting off by giving my desk a quick clean just to get rid of any marks and dust. You can see here that my desk has chipped around the edges, so I got this touch-up pen from Amazon to hopefully cover them. I shook the pen for around a minute and then the instructions said to press down a few times for the paint to come out. I wish I had done this somewhere else because so much paint came out at first, but it was fine. I just took off the excess with a cloth and then I made sure to go lightly over the other cracks. I ended up doing 2 coats over all of the chips and cracks, and I wouldn't say the results were amazing, but I still think it did a decent job at covering them, as I don't think they look as noticeable anymore. I also treated myself to a new monitor. Honestly, I've been wanting to get the Apple Studio display for so long, but I just couldn't justify spending that much money on a monitor. So I decided to get this 28-inch monitor from Samsung that was more within my budget. I decided that I want to mount my monitor because I think it gives you a bit more space and to me it just looks nicer. So I got this monitor arm from Amazon, and here I'm just unboxing all of the parts and I'll let you guys watch me assemble everything. I got these cable tidy clips from Amazon. They're really easy to use. You just push your cable into the clip, then peel off the sticker at the back and then stick them under your desk. You do need to make sure you apply a decent amount of pressure when sticking them, otherwise they might fall off later. To add some colour to my desk, I got this beige desk pad, which is also from Amazon. After rolling out the pad, I placed some heavy objects on the edges just to help flatten it out. And I'm still using my wireless keyboard from Apple and my wireless mouse from Logitech. In the corner here, I've got my favourite table lamp, and I love how this lamp looks when it's off and on. And of course, I keep my iPad at my desk. Whilst I do have a stand, I don't really use it that often. So on most days, I'll just put the stand to one side and keep my iPad next to me like a notebook. In the other corner of my desk, I've got this decorative tray that I use to keep a few things. And it's mainly just a few of my desk beauty essentials like hand cream and lip balm. I also like to keep a candle or a room spray here, and on most days I'll add a bottle of water, but sometimes I like to add some flowers just to brighten up the room. I also have a matching smaller version of the tray and I use this as a coaster. My office chair isn't anything really special, pretty basic, but it's adjustable and easy to keep clean, and I like to drape a blanket at the back just to make it look a bit nicer. I wanted to add some wall art, so I got this frame from Amazon, but then later on I changed my mind and I decided that I wanted the frame to be white. So I used this white spray paint which I had left over from a previous DIY project. The smell of this paint is really strong, so if you're thinking about doing this, I'd recommend doing it outside. I made sure to shake the paint really well, and I tried my best to apply even coats and cover the entire frame from the outside. I ended up doing 2 coats, and I left around 30 to 40 minutes between each coat, and honestly, I think it came out pretty good. The poster I got is from Etsy, and it's not the usual kind of wall art that I would go for, but I thought something bright and fun would be really nice for the summer. For the final few steps, I'm just removing the protective plastic around the monitor. It's always so nice and satisfying peeling these things off. Lastly, I just adjusted my monitor and my desk height, and then I added the height to my settings so that I can easily switch between my seated and my standing desk height. So that's everything for my mini desk makeover. I know it's a pretty basic setup, but most importantly, it's functional for me and I really enjoy working in this space. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.